You know how in the law of attraction they say you've got to let it go to manifest it? Well, what does letting it go really mean? And what happens if you can't let it go? Well, today I'm going to answer those questions and give you a technique to manifest when you just can't let it go. So let's talk about that today. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today we're talking about what it means to let it go and how to let go when you just can't let go. So let's dive right into it. What do they mean by letting it go? A lot of times people think, okay, well, let go what I want. Just, you know what, think about it, let it, throw it out there. Well, yeah, but if you're not actually manifesting what you want, it's not coming to you, then obviously there's a lot of blocks and resistance there. So what we actually mean in the law of attraction about letting it go is letting go of the blocks and the resistance that you have towards something. All the reasons why you're not able to have what you want. Okay, so let's say your intention is to have a relationship. So what you want to let go is all the reasons, all the story of why that isn't happening. You want to let go of all of that. Now, I get it. It can be difficult. How do I let go of all the stories and the resistance and the blocks that I have towards that? Well, there's a couple ways that you can do that. The first thing you can do is actually go through it and ask yourself, you know, is that what I really believe? That may have been my past experience, but is that what I believe right now? That's one really good way of doing it, changing your perception on the situation. That'll create a lasting change, right? So for an example, let's say with the relationship, I want a relationship. And then if I think to myself, oh, but nobody wants to have a relationship with me. Well, how do you change your perception on that is ask yourself, is that really true? Do people no, people get in relationships and get married all the time. Oh yeah, I'm worthy. I've had a relationship before. So that's how you would change the perception on it. So that's one really good way to let that go, is ask yourself if that's really even true. Now, the other way that you can actually let go of these things that are blocking you is, and this is my favorite technique, is to create an affirmation. So every time I think of something that's blocking me from what I want, so let's say it's winning the lottery. So I intend to win the lottery, but all of a sudden I have this resistance. Oh, you know what? I'm not going to win the lottery. I automatically, in that moment, stop myself from that train of thought of all the reasons why I won't win the lottery, all the negative thinking. I stop myself and I say, I intend to win the lottery. People win the lottery every day. It's possible for me to win the lottery. I am going to win the lottery. So to stop the thinking about the resistance and the blocks, to create affirmation, an intention that is focused towards what you want. So yeah, that's the best way, the two best ways to let go of resistance, let go of blocks, right? So, when it comes to letting go with the law of attraction, it isn't really letting go of what you want. It's letting go of what's blocking you and where your resistance is. And really either just talking yourself through it to change your perception on what's blocking you and where your resistance is. Or, if it's just like little things that aren't true, just changing it into a positive intention or an affirmation. Anyways, yeah, that's my video for today. Please subscribe. I put out new videos every Wednesday and Sunday, and they're guaranteed to help you create something wonderful in your life. And yeah, thanks for liking, commenting, and sharing. And you know what? Create something wonderful in your life today, this week, because you deserve it and you are truly awesome. Anyways, have a great week and we'll see you in a few days.